Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at a single coin from Gibraltar. It's one I've picked up just recently and it's one that I've had my eye on trying to get for quite a while. This one is from the this one is from a territory called Gibraltar, which you have down there. You also have the Queen's portrait, and you have a date of 1994, which is just here. The reason why this one is special is that it was the one that was taken for the first of the Queen's trips to the first royal trip to Gibraltar, and it represented the 40th anniversary of that trip. It's a Pobjoy Mint coin, or was produced by Pobjoy Mint. It has a die letter of AA, and it is the 40th anniversary coin of that first tour, which was 40th year would have made it 1954 was the original tour. There is no mintage figures for this coin that I could see. On the reverse we have the Royal Ship Britannia pulling into port. This coin is one that I've been after for a while. I normally go to Rock Numismatics, but they've not had it in stock for ages and I've been trying to get hold of it, and eventually I found one on eBay and was fortunate enough to snap it up. So, what do you think of this coin? Do you like it? It's one of those coins that a completionist like me needs for the collection. I will, over the next few weeks, be having several different looks at territories coins as we go towards the end of the year. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And lastly, excuse me. Lastly, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. In the meantime, until we meet up again on this video area, in one of my videos, thank you very much for tuning in and staying, and until we meet up again, from me, bye bye for now. Ta-da.